Mahirap i-maintain ang veneers kaysa natural na ngipin.
And after ilang years?
Lalo na nag-food vlog kayo.
Opo.
Restricted ang kakainin mo.
Talaga?
Yes.
Pero bakit?
Ang veneers kasi, hindi lahat buong ngipin yung i-cover.
Ah.
Cover lang niya is harapan. Like laminate. Like sheet.
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, once na nag-bite ka sa matigas, dahil ito lang yung nakadikit, pwedeng ma-chip.
It can chip?
Yeah. Hindi kasi sa buong ngipin siya dinidikit. Kung buong ngipin, mas okay yung kapit. Ang veneers kasi like laminates nasa harapan.
Okay, I
So, when
understand.
you bite sa matitigas,
Okay, I'll keep it natural.
yeah.
That's the type of doctor we need. Someone that's honest. He's honest. Doc Shaggy is really the best.
Thank you so much.
Handsome and nice.
True.
Thank you so much. Actually, yung upper niya, hindi naman ganong kahalata eh. Hindi ganong kahalata. Yung lower lang talaga niya. May mga nakita din ako na kailangan pastahan din sa kanya. Pero kung hindi niya concern yung space na yan, okay lang din naman. Kaya yun nga lang, yung lower niya, to mas makikita kaysa upper. Yung upper kasi hindi masyadong
No,
kita
it's
yung
okay.
space eh. Yung lower lang. Yung lower naman kasi pag hindi siya nag-smile ng mabuti, hindi naman kita.
True.
Yeah.
And you can't even see it like.
Yeah.
Look, and
Pag nag-smile ka kasi, halos, hindi naman kasi ganyan yung smile. Dapat halos upper lang yung kita pag nag-smile.
Opo.
Yeah, like ganyan. Pag nag-smile ka, like that lang.
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I smile like this.
Ayun, palitaan niya na lang ako kung ipapaproceed niya yung procedure.
Perfect.
Pero pag veneers, wala maganda na yung ngipin mo.
See, I told ya.
Yeah.
Maganda na. Nakaingit niya yung shape ng ngipin niya eh. Actually, ang manly ng ngipin niya, ganyan yung ngipin na manly. Magkaiba kasi dapat yung ngipin ng babae. Dapat lalaki talaga. Squarish. Ang babae, bilugan.
You're...
Ganon siya.
Yes.
Maganda yung shape ng ngipin niya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Thank you for.
Ate, pakiganyan yung kaibang palitan natin.
Agree?
Oh, it looks better. Yeah. Doc changed it because we have an event. So next week, and he thought gray's better. Thank you. Alrighty, we are done.